everyone, welcome back to my cozy little corner. Sometimes our rooms suddenly started looking like storage spaces, messy, overloaded, and not so peaceful. But don't worry, today we are turning that chores into calm. I'm going to organize and give a tiny makeover to my room, and while doing that, I will also share some cute and simple ideas that you can try in your own space. So grab a tea, sit back, and let's make my room look cozy, aesthetic, and full of vibes together. As soon as I started organizing, I found so many of my old things. And then I noticed this old scenery someone had gifted to my father. Honestly, it had no real use now, but because it's a gift, I just can't throw it away. The frame's glass was broken too, so my mom helped me fix and manage it. After that, I placed it back again in its corner. But it's so big, yeah? My almira was looking so simple and boring, so I decided to cover all three sections with this brown waterproof sheet. And trust me, it instantly looked so much neater and aesthetic. But it was so hard to manage all this, so I turned off the fan and then I sticked all this because it was flying in the air like, oh my gosh, it was so hard to manage it. But look, it has turned out good, yeah. After finishing the almira, I managed my books and copies and neatly placed them there. But honestly, while doing that, I was just kept thinking, oh no, I actually have to study all of these. There are so many, guys, but together they are looking so calm. And I couldn't believe my eyes when I found so many chart papers hiding in an old bag. I organized them properly according to their size. I usually like simple name slips, but I don't know even when I bought these BTS name slips. Well, अब इन्हें use करना पड़ेगा. Most of the day one was only about organizing things in my almira, and while doing that, I thought of placing my multicolored LED lighting speaker there too. I love how just pressing the buttons changes its color, such a vibe. Then it was time to sort out small stuff. I organized all my paper roll and plastic sheets in a cute long brown jute bag and a small one. And since I had so many paper rolls of my mini printer, I kept those in a pink paper box so they're easy to find whenever I need them. On the wall, I removed all the unnecessary stuff and used my wall hanger to place tapes, scissors, and other craft related things. Now it finally looks neat and organized. And between all this work, of course, I kept taking breaks with some snacks. Day 1 was so good, and welcome to day 2. Today is going to be really exciting because I decided to go out and buy a wallpaper for my room. When I reached the shop, oh my god, there were just so many wallpapers lined up everywhere. Patterns, colors, textures, like literally I felt I had stepped inside a wallpaper wonderland, and seriously my mind was spinning. I was so confused about which one to choose. Should I go for something soft, pastel, or maybe something bold, or even minimalistic? Finally, after all the confusion and second guessing, I made my choice. But I won't reveal it yet here. You will have to keep watching till the end to see exactly which wallpaper I bought. I also found some super cute aesthetic pens. You guys know me, I can't resist stationery. And these clips were so cute and pretty. So after shopping, before starting, I had to remove all the unnecessary paint sticking out on my wall. And then came the best part, opening the wallpaper bag. Oh my god, the feeling was so good. You can literally see here, this is the design I finally chose. But let me tell you, sticking wallpaper on the wall is not as easy as it looks. It was seriously hard to keep it straight and bubble free. I kept struggling, but thankfully my mom helped me a lot. Without, I don't think I could have done it alone. But I still had to move all the furniture out of my room and set things properly. I looked up at the wall above my study table and it felt so empty, like it was missing something. So I got the bright idea, why not add my own little art touch? With some poster paints and brushes, I started making cute blue clouds, tiny little stars, and of course, a beautiful moon. And the fun part, I didn't even use fancy tools. And then I started organizing my books and my organizer. My panda organizer had become really old and dirty, so I decided to finally throw it away. After that, I moved to my bed. You can see here I slapped the sponge on it to clean and dust off. Basically, I was just giving it a nice wipe down, freshening everything up. Next, I had to organize all the little things on my study table one by one. I arranged everything neatly so it doesn't look cluttered anymore. And so, guys, that's my room, but I have to still find some new ideas for decorating my room. This is not the end. And if you liked that video, so drop a pink heart in comment section. And for only now, meet you in my next video. So like, subscribe and share for more. Bye.